Hi besties, so I'm here to give you a kitchen tip. I want to teach you how to clean your blender properly. So we want a crystal clear blender. That's what you're going to do. You're going to need some water, okay? Add a little water onto your blender. Alright, just watch the video step by step and understand everything, okay? Then you pour your dish soap, a small amount of dish soap onto your blender. Alright, so after doing that, you just cover it and then start blending. That's all. That's all. You start blending it. Most of the time, we don't clean our blender well because of the blade. And you and I can testify that we use our hands to clean our blenders, in which we are not able to bring out the residues and then some impurities inside the blade. You know, right? So when you do it this way, you are going to bring every impurity and every residues off. Kindly click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that when I post, you'll be the first person to get notified. So after blending, you're going to pour off the water and then use your sponge to clean inside the bowl. Make sure you don't go close to where the blade is because you don't want to hurt yourself, okay? We've already done the magic over there. So just clean inside the bowl and then around the bowl very, very well. Then rinse it off. Just like that. You know, we are looking out for a crystal clear blender, okay? So after blending it and cleaning it this way, you are sure to go. It takes out every harsh scent or smell like garlic, ginger and everything. When you clean your blender like this, it brings out or takes out every harsh smell from it. If this video makes sense to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Bye!